Assalamualaikum to all my dear students. Welcome you to all in today's video session. Class 5, subject EVS 1, chapter number 15, and chapter name is Communication and Mass Media. Now student, tell me, what is the meaning of communication? As you have ever speak or talk to your relative or your parents via phone? Yes. That means the exchanging of information is called communication. And what do you mean by mass media? Mass media means the meaning of mass media is the means of communication that reach large number of people in short time. Example, through TV, newspaper and magazine. So students, now tell me, we watch TV programs on many different channels. Where do they come from? Yes, we watch TV programs on many different channels. These programs come from the information exchanged by artificial satellites. We will know what is artificial satellites later. Second is, we talk to others on our mobile phones. What makes communication on a mobile phone possible? We talk to other on our mobile phones. So the information exchanged by artificial satellites make communication on a mobile phone possible. In the first chapter, we have learned about the launching of spacecraft and artificial satellites. Spacecraft means a vehicle used for traveling space, or you can say in Hindi that is Antriksh Yan. And artificial satellites, that means an object that people have made and launched into orbit using rocket. So these are the artificial satellite. Artificial satellites are used in modern methods of communication. The signals are delivered very quickly from one point to another. For example, as we can watch the TV live telecast of any event going on in any part of the world. For example, football or cricket matches. Because of this artificial satellite, it is possible to see uh, football or live football or cricket matches, because these satellites uh, gives the satellites delivered this signal very quickly from one point to another. The second one is, with the help of mobile phones, we can directly talk to the people in other countries. It is only because of these artificial satellites. The president or prime minister can address the entire nation at the same time over the radio or TV. So that means the exchange of information is called communication. Information broadcast is also a part of communication. Information broadcast means you can say that transmit by radio or TV. The information which is transmitted by the TV or radio. With artificial satellites, the signals are delivered quickly from one point to another with the information transmitted by the artificial satellites. We can see programs on TV, television, we can listen to the programs on radio, or we can talk to each other on telephones. See this picture. Artificial satellites are launched into space by means of rocket. They are useful for communication. Now students, do you know in India we use artificial satellites for communication? These artificial satellites are called the Indian National Satellites. This is the short form of this is INSAT. Now observe this one. See, here reporter is giving news and it is sending to the TV channel. The TV channel send the signal to the satellite. Okay, from the satellite it comes to our TV, computer and different forms, or we also came to know about the news through the newspaper or radio. Now we will learn about the advantages of telecommunication and mass media. We can easily contact people far away from us. The first advantage of this mass media is that we can contact people who are far away from us. The time and effort spent in exchanging information can be saved. They help to raise awareness about the issues such as environmental balance, gender equality, and cleanliness. That means the awareness about many issues can be raised. People can forewarn. Forewarn means inform of a possible future danger or problem. So people can be informed for a possible future damage or problems about natural disaster like storm, tsunami, flood, and etc. That means people can be forewarned about the natural disaster. They build awareness about health, education, facilities, good things happening in the society. That means information about the good things happening in our society can be spread. They help in successful implementation. Implementation means execution. They help in successful implementation of government schemes launched for the benefit of people. That means by the mass media, the government schemes launched for the benefits of people can be implemented successfully. Awareness can be raised about matters related to food, clothes, shelter, education, and health. This improves people's way of life. By mass media, the awareness can be raised about the matters related to food, clothes, shelter, education, and health, which improves the people's lifestyle, or you can say the people's way of life. And last, mass media helps in the expansion of trade and industry. It can be used for expanding trade and industry. Now we will see what are the disadvantages of telecommunication. Students, first is excessive use of the television, computer or mobile phone cause disorder of the eyes, ears and backs. Psychological disorder and isolation etc. are also possible. That means overuse of the television, computer or mobile phone cause physical and psychological disorder of a person. We get all the sort of information through television channel and internet. There are instances of this information being misused to disturb the peace and order in society. That means some people misuse the information received from the media and disturb the peace and order in the society. Time is spent on watching television leads to the neglect of outdoor sports and physical fitness. This has an adverse effect on physical health. That means time spent on watching television leads to the negligence of physical fitness. This adversely affect physically and psychologically health. That means if you people or most of the children, what they do, they are spending so much time on watching television, watching mobile phones, and they avoid going outside. It causes the physical fitness. Okay, the physical health of a particular person will got affect. What's the solution? See, when Amod, who is in the fifth standard, comes home after school, he visited several websites on his computer. He never misses his favorite TV shows. He plays games on his mother's mobile phone all the time. He is always sitting at home. Lately, his appetite means natural desire to satisfy a body need. His appetite has decreased. He is drowsy and has put on weight. So Amol's mother was is worried about him. When will she feel better? If he go outside or play some outdoor sports game, and if he avoid using the excessive use of these television and computer, his mother feels better. So students, always remember, telecommunication device should be used properly and sensibly. We must be careful not to use them excessive. That means there are many disadvantages of mass media. Therefore, telecommunication device should be used properly and sensibly. We must be careful not to use them excessive. So students, what we have learned in this chapter or video, introduction to the means of communication, and we have learned about the communication and mass media. What is communication? The exchange of information is called communication. What are the means of communication? There are mass media, that means it use artificial satellites and spacecraft. Use of space launch technology for communication. As I said, artificial satellites are launched into space by means of rocket, and they are useful for communication. Introduction to mass media. Say, what is the mass media? We have learned the mass media, that is a means of communication that reach large number of people in short time, that is TV, newspaper and magazine. And we have seen what are the advantages and disadvantages of use of this mass media. Students, I hope you all understood about this lesson. If you have any question, you can ask me. Till then, take care. Thank you and jazakallah.